Adequate quantity. The package comes with a total of 240 pieces 3D bow nail design decorations in 2 different designs, available in various pretty colors, 120 pieces per design. Adequate quantity with different designs and colors to satisfy your large and diverse nail DIY needs, to better show your ideas and creativity. Delicate designs and colors. The 3D bows nail charms are designed in 2 shapes, includes ribbon bow and simple bow, each with 8 colors, which includes red, black, white, pink, light green, light yellow and more, delicate and good looking, providing you with more choices to create different nail styles, to match with your different makeup and dress up. Durable material. These colorful bowknot nail accessories are made of quality synthetic resins by exquisite workmanship, with smooth surface and lightweight, comfortable and beautiful to wear on nails or touch by hands, durable and sturdy, not easy to break or fade. You can store and use them for a long time. Add more beauty on you. These resin bow nail decorations are ideal for girls and women to use, easy to combine with other lovely decorative materials, such as sequins, dry flowers, tiny beads, pearls, crystals and colorful nail polishes in your own styles. They will make you more beautiful and elegant when wearing to various occasions, including dating, shopping, wedding ceremony, evening parties, company gathering, custom parties, dancing parties, etc. Wide applications. These DIY bow design nail design charms are suitable for manicurists, beauticians, stylists, nail DIY lovers and designers to use in different work occasions as well as home DIY use on natural nails and acrylic nails, to make pretty and charming nail decorations. You can also apply them on the mobile phones, cards, notebooks, greeting cards, hair clips, wallet and so on, to add more beauty for your nails and everyday supplies. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect little bows for nails. Cute little bows, perfect for nail art, the perfect size. I feel some colored bows appear more than others, but you get at least 5 to 6 of each color for each style. The back is flat so you may need nail glue to ensure they stay on, but overall very happy with these charms.